So if you're new to the channel, welcome! My name is Mark and I'd love to share my cross-country flights. Today we've got cross-country to Hunstanton from Winglands, about an hour and a half flight. It's the first day of spring. We're at Wingland Airfield. Although it looks a bit wintry, we've got frost. But spring is here. I was expecting there to be more people here, to be honest. I'm disappointed. The plan is, although we do have a southwesterly, I'm going to go up to Hunstanton. Just fancy a coastal flight. I'm going to take the Moster today. I don't think it's particularly humid, but I've just gone off the atom. Here goes Mr. Dan Jones on the Moster EFI with a 140 prop on the Bulldog and the Dudek Walk 2. Here he goes. This is why I hate the Moster. Well, yesterday it did start first pull. Oh, it's not just me then. There's something not right with it, I think.
Yeah, it's your clutch.
Is it?
When I'm pulling this, your prop's spinning.
Yeah. Thanks, mate. I wouldn't have got that started without you. I need to get the clutch bell off. The clutch bell, I think, is rubbing. When I landed last night, when I took off last night, it was totally fine. When I landed, I did notice that the prop was squeaking when you turned it. There was a little bit of resistance, so another job. So, plan is to go to Hunstanton. Let's do it. Let's get these thick gloves on. It's getting a bit late. 8:29. Just get on my right track. Slightly going off course. So on the way to Hunstanton, doing 37 miles an hour. So I'm going to kind of downwind really. That's fine. We've got light winds today. Probably 5 miles an hour, something like that. Up here, more like 1 mile an hour on the ground. I'm on my own, I don't have any fly buddies. What is going on? Temperature 4 degrees C up here. It's probably -1 on the ground. 76% humidity.
The ocean blooms over your shoulders. Well, I'm just tossing by the wayside.
Absolutely solid, still conditions, beautiful. Not feeling a single bump. Almost at Hunstanton. It's 9 o'clock, only took half an hour to get up here. With favourable winds, I'm trimmed out at the moment, so hopefully you can hear me okay. Lovely, it's cold. Well, the frost seems to be lifting, looking down below. Woohoo! I really fancy the coastal flight today. Haven't been to the coast for a while. Haven't seen any light aircraft yet. Engine so far is holding out. I was hoping the clutch wasn't going to disintegrate on me. But I think it's just sticking or needs cleaning out or something. I'll have a look when I get back.
I just wanna see you care more. I'm not gonna kiss you any more times. Experience it all.
Old Hunstanton. No one there.
We're just human, don't forget you owe me for reminding you you'll die. If I am lost, then who are we? Society not built to see the atom bombs and families, the kiss, the summer sky, the infants and the mystery. You're sizing up.
It's that time of the flight. Cheers everyone. That's good. Nice hot coffee and it's 3 degrees C. Taking off from a frosty field. Nice hot cup of coffee to warm me up. There's a nice little flight up to Honey. Gonna do a bit of low flying now. Why not? Doing 28 miles an hour trimmed out.
We're just human, don't forget you owe me for reminding you you'll die. Are we really here? Just we feel summertime. The ocean moves over your shoulders, but you won't die.
So guys, just got back from a flight and the Monster's clutch. Can you hear that? That is sticking. Paramotoring is a never-ending battle with your motor. There was me thinking the Monster was all good, but no! After my last flight, as I said, the prop started sticking. So I'm just going to take the eccentric off, take the belt off and pull off the clutch bell housing and have a look. So I need to get this off.
Yeah, I've tried to work it out.
I think one of the reasons I seem to have more issues than most is I do quite a lot of hours, probably somewhere around 180 to 200 hours per year, and I don't like servicing my motor.
I mean,
I think I am.
Oh, there we go. When I'm clipped in, oh, yeah.
Will you look at that?
Just get my finger back.
So I need to change my base gasket and head gasket. And after a video call with Clive Bunce at Skybound Aviation, I was told the base and head gaskets need replacing too. Sadly, I don't have all the tools I need to get the Monster back running again, so the Atom has been tuned, so I'm going to take that up for a flight. Keys are in the van, yeah? So after the debacle with my Monster, which is now in bits, it's time to take the Atom up. Julie's just tuned it for me. Atom and Hadron, yesterday Nucleon Monster. Wind conditions are variable, but I'm going to do a few touch and goes, and then I'm going to go up to 5,000 feet and go to idle and see if I can idle all the way back down to the ground. As I'm coming in for this touch and go, the wind actually changes to a tailwind and catches me off guard. Well, that last touch and go didn't work. Well, Atom is back in business. Flight number 3 at Wingland. This here is Wayne on his handmade quad. Now he's going for a test flight. It seems to go well. Kind of. So I've arranged to meet Dan above the clouds. I'm going to go up to 4,000 to 5,000 feet, something like that, and meet Dan up there. Dan's just on the ground ready to launch, and then I'm going to go to idle all the way down and see if the Atom can stay running at idle all the way back down to the ground again. So I do get up to 5,000 feet on the Atom, but I don't see Dan anywhere. Let's
getting pretty cold now, so I go to idle and see how the atom performs. I'm pleased to say that the atom idled all the way to the ground. The problem was I was running it at 15 minutes from closed instead of 22. Here he comes. On the spot. Lovely. He's going to run it back. No, he's not. Gotta run fast. Keep that up. Sorry, mate. I was looking for you. I couldn't see you anywhere. I went to those clouds over there, and they were going out to sea. And I thought, I don't like this. So I saw this one here, so I went over to that one. Next time I experience an issue I've not had before, where I run across the field with the atom and don't get airborne, even though I'm on full power. It's not getting any lift.